many people that use vehicle as a transport in life. Everyone that use the vehicle are exposed to a risk of accident and crash on the road. Many people's life has been killed by an accident. How can risk of an accident be reduced on the road? The aim for this project to be in the plan is to reduce the risk of collision and accident between a vehicle in a road. Other than that, these projects are able to make a trip of vehicle more effective and safe for all persons. Method for this project is natural observation to collect an information about our safety on the road. The other method that we use is questionnaire method to understand the concept of science and physics that is used to build up a project. A magnetic field concept is applied in this project to prevent the collision between a vehicle. Same pole of magnet will repel the vehicle too. We found that this project can achieve a main objective that to prevent a collision on the road. The conclusion is this project can reduce the risk of an accident on the road. How can we reduce the risk and prevent an accident on the road to make the road more safe for people to use it? As we know, the usual vehicle just use the app systems which is for brake, but this system cannot fully prevent the vehicle from an accident. The collision of the vehicle still can be happen. The vehicle still doesn't have a protection to avoid it from accident.
In this project, we're going to test if our project known as ISSV is functioning to reduce the risk of collision and accident between the vehicles in the road. And then, we want to find out if ISSV can be functioning to save the cost for the vehicles if vehicles had an accident, such as the maintenance costs and also repairing the vehicles. The number of the road accident in Malaysia has been increased during the last 10 years. Meanwhile, the number of fatalities has been steady reduction from peak at 7,152 in 2016 and show the lowest number, that is 6,167 in 2019 during the last 10 years. Then we do some research and study about this, we find out that there is a solution to reduce the risk of this problem. ISSV can reduce the rate of accident on the road in a year. The magnetic system that involved in every vehicle will keep the safe distance between them. Magnetic system include magnet that will customized be put to a car as a safety system. As we study in school, we know that magnet has a force that can make it attract or repel to another magnet. The system will also support an ABS system. This is because we want to reduce the risk of an accident. First, we put the combination of the magnet side by side and also into front and the back. We must make sure that the magnet in the same pole. We test the strength of the magnetic repellent. This is because we want to make sure that the system is safe and can be used. It also depends on the speed of the vehicles. The faster the vehicles, the strength of the repellent also increase. So we want to make sure that the system is safe and can be used for any vehicles.
I would love to talk about how this system will be known by the world. First, we have to make this system proof by the local vehicle brand to attract the interest of the luxury car brands. This system will not be available for ambulance or enforcer car because they have to use an emergency line if there is an accident. We must confirm that this system doesn't have any problem before it will be tested in the highway. A person that I know to drive is the most suitable person to use the system to train them to drive on the road. In conclusion, based on the project and research, we conclude that ISSV is the best alternative way to reduce a risk of accident on the road. Even though the project cannot fully prevent the vehicle from an accident, it still can reduce the impact of the vehicle if the vehicle is still involved in an accident. The life and injury of somebody could be saved by the system. An ISSV system is the best solution for the government to reduce cases of accident in some countries. The other thing that we can conclude is the concept of electromagnetic field can be used wisely in the transportation industry. Magnetic field can maintain the distance of vehicle to other vehicle. That's all from me, thank you.